the others, it will share the voltage from the highest battery charge, and then share the voltage to the weakest ones, and bring them within, say, 100 milliamps, and then so that's keeping this one safe from damaging your batteries. This is optional. It's like just to see the difference of the milliamps or millivolts actually, and you can balance them, you can discharge them, you can set a minimum voltage. It's not necessary. Also, what I would say is these are nickel plated connecting plates. What you want to do is, if you're going to buy your own ever for a different pack, you have to go to a website called Matador for these zinc you want pure zinc strips, and what it'll do is tell you your size that you need, your thickness for how many amps that you want to use it for. Okay, so your battery pack, be careful when you open these up, because if you pierce one with a screwdriver or you cut it open, then it's very dangerous and it might explode. So do it very carefully, or not at all. So instead of using one of these, it's a display for your batteries on your 3S pack, you could use something like this, an Opus BTC3100. And when you put these second-hand batteries in, you want to discharge them fully. So if I go to the display, I'm discharging them 500 milliamps each, so I'm bringing the voltage down to as low as it will until it stops, and then I want to fully charge them and then hit the display. It will tell me milliamp hours, and this is what you want to take. It might be, I don't know, between 300 and 1,000 or something like that. So you take that number and you write it on each battery, a marker pen. So what you want to do is, they're all going to be different numbers, and you don't just set them up like anyhow, even if the voltage is of the same. What counts is milliamp hours. You have to go to the website, it's called batterypacker.com, and enter in the milliamp hours of each battery, and it will tell you which one is good for you. Also, the safest way to keep your batteries running for you. But if you use this, you've got to have a little switch so you can switch it off and on. Otherwise, it will be a